Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I have an iPhone 11 Pro was brought in. The screen is not working and the phone is not powering on anymore. Though I don't think the not powering on has anything to do with the broken screen, but Face ID might have another story. So let's go ahead and open this one up. It came from another repair shop and I suspect it was a cheap mall kiosk. At least they got both pentalobe back in the bottom of it. That's kind of rare, at least for our local shop nearby. Opening up is, well, pretty darn easy. There's no adhesive. And wow, there's a lot going on in this phone. So it's not powering on because the battery's not connected, because the shield's just floating around. And as cool as metal is to float around inside of a circuit board, you know, maybe not. It's also got a Rhino bat. Haven't heard of that one before. And not sure what true color screen is or why they felt the need to leave the plastic protectors on it, but hey, you get what you pay for. Let's go ahead and remove the remaining screws. It looks like they're missing only one on the main shield, and disconnect everything. I'll also clean the frame of what adhesive was left over. They obviously didn't replace it, though they didn't leave the original inside it either. Up at the top, I'll unscrew it. At least it's got all three screws holding the speaker in place. That's kind of nice. And oh, yep, it just falls right out. Cool. So this plastic protector, yeah, you kind of need to remove that because under it is a graphite pad that dissipates heat and the plastic doesn't. I'll take the new one, install the ear speaker back on top of it. So you can see I removed the plastic protector. I'm also going to replace the adhesive around the frame of the phone, which they did not. And we're going to test it out, make sure that everything's actually still working on this phone. Sure enough, it powers on. Guess it just needed the battery connected. I'm going to go ahead and replace all the screws, as well as give them a bonus and replace the screws on the battery shield. It won't come disconnected again. Two pentalobes go back in the bottom. And after powering it on, looks like this one's actually working pretty well. Face ID is still intact. Sure enough, even with that damage, the front-facing camera is coming out perfect on this one. Oh my god, check your email, dude. And that's it for this one, guys. I'll see you next time.